and we are here answering your legal questions. I want you to go to the Facebook and like us on our Law Show Facebook page. I want you to follow us at The Law Show on Twitter. Go to the Android store and download the Android Law Show app. It's free, and it gives you every way that you need to contact us. I think that you can actually find other apps that will allow you to listen live. You can just go directly to the Law Show website, and you can listen live on your phone, no matter what it is. You can call us 24 hours a day at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. We're going to go back to the phones. We're going to talk to Joe. He's in St. Louis, wants to know about foreclosure. Welcome to the Law Show, Joe.
Hi. My question is, I recently went to a auction, the St. Louis County auction for foreclosed property.
Yep.
And what happened was the bank took it back for $169,000. Now, I looked it up on the internet, and the same house was selling for $469,000 or $464,000. So my question is, the Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation is a government entity. How can I buy this property from the government without having to go through a real estate agent?
Well, you have to go to the auction. You got to outbid the bank.
I did go to the auction, and the bank, the Federal Home Loan Mortgage, took the house back.
You mean they took it?
The amount that it's.
Wait. They took it off the auction?
No, they bid the minimum amount of what was owed on the house.
Right. So what you should have done is you should have bid higher because they're required to take the highest bid.
Okay.
The reason
there
why
were no other bids. So is there any way to buy this property for a lesser amount? Is my question.
No, what's going to happen is they're going to take the property back for what they're owed, and then they're going to give it to a real estate agent to sell it. The whole purpose of the foreclosure is to get the homeowner's name off the title, and then they're free to go ahead and resell the property. So there's no reason for them to bid $450,000 if all they is owed is $169,000, right? But if they get anything over and above the $169,000, they may be, in some states, required to turn over that additional money to the old homeowner. Now, there's a redemption period. So how long ago did you go to this auction?
It was this week.
Okay, so you might be able to go to the homeowner and buy his right of redemption.
The homeowner passed away.
Well, go to his estate and buy the right of redemption. There's a right of redemption that resides in somebody, and if you go there and ask them, they might sell it to you. They don't want the house, maybe. I don't know. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. But that's what you have to do. If you want our help to figure out how to do that, we're happy to help you with that. We do those kinds of things all the time, and we're just here to advise people on how to put their legal interests first. So the first way to get the house is to outbid the bank. You didn't do that. Now you got to find who's got the equity of redemption and buy the equity of redemption if Missouri allows you to do that. I think they probably do, but you got to check that out. Okay?
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for calling the Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. And we're going to talk to Brett. He's in Springfield, Illinois. Welcome to the Law Show, Brett.
Hello, and thanks for taking the call.
You're welcome.
In 2010, I went through a divorce, and I had to refinance the house to get my wife's name off the house.
Yep.
About 2 weeks thereafter, I was diagnosed with kidney failure, so now I'm on disability/Social Security. Well, the net effect is that my income went down $1,200, and so I was looking to do something about the house itself, as far as getting the interest rate down, because I had to refinance at about 6%.
Right. All you can do is you can ask for a refi of the current lender. Maybe they'll give it to you, maybe they won't. There's probably a problem in that they're going to say, we want to look at your income, and then they're going to look at your debt, and maybe you qualify and maybe you don't. But you may be able to qualify for the HAMP program. There may be other things that you can qualify for. Those are all federal remedies, really is what that is. And if you like, you could contact my office and ask for Justin. He'll be able to
Okay.
help you out with all that, okay?
Okay, and the office number.
855 Law Show.
Oh, okay. Same.
Call during
All right,
regular
fair
business
enough.
hours, or you could, Brett, you could send us an email.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Thanks for calling
Yes,
the
sir.
Law
Thank
Show.
you very much.
All right. We're going to continue answering your legal questions at 855 Law Show. That's 855-529-7469. We're going to talk with Jim. He's in Indiana. Welcome to the Law Show, Jim.
Thank you very much. I enjoy your program every week.
Well, thanks for listening.
I have a promissory note that ends to be February 4th of 2012.
I've got a really bad... Jim?
Pardon me, yes.
Take me off a speakerphone.
Oh, take you off the speaker, okay.
All right. Now, tell me what's going on.
Okay, is that better?
Much better. Thank you. Hello? Well, looks like we lost Jim. All right. We got a lot of parking ticket calls. We got John from Chicago. John, welcome to the Law Show. Why didn't you want to pay your parking ticket?
Oh, here's this strange story I'm about to tell you. I do remember this car I had back in '97,
Uh-huh.
and I received this ticket about a month ago. I can't mention any names. It's not from the city. It's from another law firm. That's all I will say.
Okay.
And they telling me it's one citation, and I owe $61. It was a license plate that was missing off the back of my car, and I called the state's attorney about it, or the Secretary of State about it, and we did something, and ever since then, I don't know what happened, but this is the first time I got a letter from these people, or even from the city, about a parking ticket.
When are they claiming that they issued the parking ticket?
Oh, they claiming they met 12/1997.
And did you own the car and the license plate at that time?
I believe I did, yeah.
So why don't you want to pay your ticket?
Like that.
How come you don't want to pay your ticket?
I don't recall getting the ticket in the first place.
Well, you know what? There's no such thing as a statute of limitations on parking tickets, including in Chicago. And I would highly recommend that you not waste any more time or breath or money on trying to fight this thing. Just send them the $61. It's going to make you feel much better. I'm America's personal injury attorney, Brian Dailey, broadcasting live from high atop the National Law Show studios, answering your legal questions today at 855 Law Show. That's 855-529-7469. Give me a call right now, but listen to these few messages. We'll be right back after them. I'll be answering your questions.
Watch The Law Show live now at thelawshow.com. The Law Show returns with your calls at 855 Law Show.